Peace. So, check it out. In today's episode of Movement and Motion, it's like lotion for the muscles and the joints. We are going to do a little bit for the back, right? Because that's where I have the most, discomfort at. My lower back, sacrum area, right here. So that's why I've incorporated a lot of twisting, a lot of trunk twisting. Be doing that, a lot. Always the lower back. So, in order to target my lower back, this is some of the things I do, just randomly throughout the day. Like whenever I feel like watching TV or what have you. Bend the knees and a nice forward fold. Yeah. Softly swaying. And my knees are bent too. I can actually feel my belly on top of my thighs. A nice forward fold is what this is called. The more the knees are bent, the more you target the lower back. The more the legs are straight, targets the hamstrings. And in here, sometimes, I do the elephant walks, bend the right knee, straighten the left. You know, but yeah. And I'm gonna come to a stand. So again, we're targeting the lower back. I'm gonna send my hips low to slowly begin to stand, keeping my chin on my chest the whole way. Some of the other things I do to target the lower back. All right. If you have a block or a book, put your knee on it. Come in the table, put your knee on it, and alternate lowering and raising the knee. Keeping the back straight. Breathing. Let's go to the other side. Again, sometimes when I take a break from being on the computer, I just start moving. This side feels different. You know, two more. Also, just started doing these too. Targeting the lower back. Lift up, or if this is too challenging, you can go right here. But again, the main thing is keep the legs straight. Forwards and backwards. Go again. Why not? Lower back. Come forward. Another thing, twisting. Lay on our backs, right? Drop your knees off maybe to the right, but if you do, look left. And switch. Right now I have my hands up like goalposts. Keep them there. The closer the knees are to your face, the more deeper the twist. Alternate from side to side. And again, some of you might be down here, and that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Especially when you practice keeping your shoulders glued to the mat or to the floor. Doesn't matter. Levels for everybody. We got levels to this. And also, one of my favorites, let's come up to a seat, a forward fold, right? I mean, of course, there are a million more. These are just some of them I'm going over that you can do. I'm extending my legs, bend my knees. I'm gonna lengthen my spine, inhale, and then I'm gonna come forward with me exhaling. Walking my hands down my shins to my calves. My knees are bent. Lengthening my spine. Try to lay my belly flat on my thighs. Look how my knees are bent. I'm all the way down here now. Feet about 6, 8 inches apart. Look up here, I can stretch my back by pointing my toes. Look how my knees are bent, stretching the top of my back, pulling back on my hands, pulling forward with my feet, stretching the top of my back. Around the lats. It's just a scapula. I'm not a physical therapist, but you know. Pulling back on my toes. And again, targeting the lower back. You know the rule. You know what it is, right? Legs are straight, hamstrings, knees are bent, lower back. Slowly begin to straighten them. Just melt. When you first do that inhale, create length. And the exhale, just soften. Nice forward fold. Knees straight or bent, doesn't matter. And same rules apply. You can always point the toes and the feet forward and back, flex and point. Lower back some love. Lightweight movements. Oh, yeah. So there it is, gang. And you know the Conscious Crusade mantra, right? Movement and motion is like lotion for the muscles and the joints. Get you some. Peace.